Alrighty, here we are on Steel Force. Dorney's Morgan Hyper in the front row. So let's go. Oh boy. I haven't rode this in the front in years. Oh yeah. Look at that land, they could turn into something one day. One day. Hopefully, Six Flags, if you're listening. Don't need more love. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! Great air time. Oh, up again. Oh. Oh. The helix. The nitro. Woo! Oh. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Yo, jeez. Holy air time. Yo! Okay, so they had that hard. Let's go. Oh! Oh, tunnel.